The patient's module is basically an address book. It stores all the patient information that doesn't change every visit, like addresses, phone numbers, insurance, office addresses, etc. It also contains summaries on all the medical information, exams, prescription, diagnoses, injections, etc. In the upper left-hand corner is the logo, which will take you to the home page from any layout. Next to it, the left and right silver arrows will take you to the previous or next patient. The New button will create a new patient record, just as if you click the New Patient button on the home layout. Next is the Delete button. If pressed, it will first warn you that you're going to permanently delete that patient. If you click Delete, you will delete only that patient. Next, the Search button will take you to the List layout so you can find any patient using any keyword you wish. The next button is the New Exam button, which creates a new exam for that patient. It will take all the current exam information and transfer it over to the new exam so you don't have to re-enter. It will change the font to italic so you know it was from a previous diagnosis. Next is the PMHX button, which will open a new window and take you to the past medical history for that patient. You can make changes, then close the window, and you'll be back at the patient module. The next three buttons will allow you to either print, email, or fax the information for that patient. Next is the Invoices button, which will take you to a list layout that will allow you to find the invoice quickly. Next is the Export MR button, which allows you to export the entire medical record for that patient. In the right corner are the blue List and Table buttons. The List button opens the list layout, allowing you to search and sort through the records. The Table button takes you to the table layout, where you can do complex searches and edit data. The top blue band will give you the necessary information on the current exam. In this case, the patient's name, age, and gender. On the left is the projector icon, which gets you the video instructions about this layout. On the right side is the exclamation point icon, which will allow you to send a screenshot and instructions to me to correct any program glitch or even suggestions how to make it better. Under the top blue band is the set of tabs to direct you to the different parts of the patient's file. Under the Detail tab, you will find all the current addresses, phone numbers, and doctors. The other tabs contain second home addresses, insurance information, documents, images, notes, to-do lists, and letters. Within the EMR, you can also use your iPad not only as a fax and an email, but you can also use it as a phone utilizing Skype. Under the Detail tab, you can either drag and drop a photo or insert a photo into the container, and that photo will appear in each exam. On the bottom blue band, you will find all the current system settings. In the left corner, you will find the dash, which will minimize the screen. On the right corner is the plus, which will maximize the screen. From left to right, the data on the blue band include the date, time, username, which is you, and how many users are connected. In the center is the Close button, which will close only the patient module and not the whole program. To the right of the Close button is the medical record number of the current record, followed by the number of records selected out of the total number of records available, and the current printer. The second set of tabs underneath the bottom blue band contain a summary of all the exams, procedures, testing, invoices, and imaging for this patient. And that finishes up the patient module. You will refer to this module frequently during your exams and to find information regarding contact the patient.